Hello guys, welcome to the Hackstelligence. In this video I'm going to show you how to set up Proxychains. First of all I'm going to check DNS. Okay, so this is my DNS. Proxychains is already installed in Parrot OS. So let's get started. First of all, open up your terminal and open up the Proxychains configuration file using nano-text editor. With this command nano/etc/proxychains.conference. Proxychains also allows us to use dynamic chain or random chain while connecting to proxy servers. In the config file uncomment the dynamic chain or random chain. Going down I also uncomment the proxy DNS requests, which will basically prevent leaking of DNS data. Even if you're not using a custom DNS, it will actually just follow the IP's DNS by default. Next let's go down all the way to the example section. Here I want you guys to take a good look at the format of basically how a proxy chain or a proxy via DNS works. In the proxy list section, we configure the proxies that we want to use. What I want you to do now is go to the line just below SOCKS 4 and add SOCKS 5. Then hit the tab button on your keyboard to follow the format, and we're just gonna use the basic dork proxy. Anyways, once done, just save the file by pressing Ctrl+O and confirm by pressing Enter. Then press Ctrl+X to exit the nano editor. To use Proxychains with Tor, we first need to install Tor using the following command: apt-get install Tor. Once installed, we need to start the Tor services by using following command: service Tor start. After starting Tor services, we need to type following command to use an application via Proxychains. As an example, I'm going to open up Firefox to show you guys that it's actually working. Now you might be asking, how do I know that I'm anonymous? Well, you can check for DNS leaks to make sure. To do it, simply search for checking DNS leaks and open up a website to do so. And as you can see, it says my address is 51.210.242.160. If you want a new proxy, you can always close the program and restart the Tor service to do so. Anyways guys, this is how you can use Proxychains to hide your identity. If this video was helpful, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching.